Hey guys, let's find it out. Use in, on, or at. In Canada, on Canada, or at Canada. Let's find it out. Here we have a country. That's interesting. And also we have another country. Let's name them. For instance, here we have a country which is Germany. And also we have, for instance, China. You always have to remember with the names of countries, we must use the preposition in Germany, in China. And moreover, we have different cities in a country, yeah? So with cities, we always have to use in. For example, Frankfurt. Frankfurt is a city, so we have to use in with it, in Frankfurt. And then we have different streets, for instance, in different cities. So with the streets, we always have to use the preposition on street. And also we have different buildings, or let's say different places on different, let's say, streets. So we always have to use the preposition at with specific places and buildings. Let's look at here. We have, for instance, we have an apartment which has many floors. Third floor, second floor, first floor. We always have to use the preposition on with it, with different floors. Canada. Canada here is a country, so we must use in. Main Street is a very good. Which one is street? So we always have to say on Main Street. Second floor, very good, on the second floor. 45 King Street is a little bit tricky because here we have a number. It's a specific, let's say, building at. And airport is a kind of building in a city, so at. And here we have Berlin. What should we use? Comment your answers.